Okay. Oh my gosh. Hold on. What's your problem? Is it good?
Yeah. Turn it this way a little. Turn it.
Up. So you can see the top of my head, please.
Turn it this way. There. There.
Okay. Good, Grandma, say it.
All right, here we go then. Me and this little chick. We are making dog treats.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even like dogs.
You love Benji.
Well, I love Benji. Benji's kind of okay. But we're making dog treats for Benji, or Benji dog treats. And they don't let Benji have treats because they say Benji's too fat. So I'm not going to be here for long. And they say that they can give these dog treats to the dogs in the neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they're using my favorite peanut butter Jif, but you know, like if you're a millennium person, you found out in the last couple of years that peanut butter allergies kill people. We don't know what it does to dogs, and I'm not taking no responsibility. My hands will not be in this.
How much is it?
1 cup.
Just use the baby. Just use the.
She is not a baby.
She's my baby. Cause I love her so much.
I love her too, but she is not a baby.
Maybe it wasn't such a hot idea.
I put my baby feet in your mouth.
How do you know? Yeah, you did. You did. This chick got in the bed with me last night. I had the dog's tail
Oh yeah, I have.
smacking me in the face.
I have a picture of it.
And you got a picture of it? Okay. Because when she woke up this morning before I left, I said I had your foot in my mouth and Benji's tail in my face. How do you know that dogs like almond milk?
Can you put this in there? Because we're vegan.
You are not vegan. I can prove you're not vegan.
But
Open up your refrigerator.
that doesn't mean she ate it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's why your video got rejected.
Can you put this? Yeah, because of
Oh,
the
we still
what?
need it up there.
Is it? Did you put this?
No.
What is that?
This is coconut oil.
How do you know dogs like coconut oil? And do you know that every morning, well not every morning, but a couple of mornings a week, I take a little handful of that and put it in my hair?
Me too.
Wow.
Me too.
Yeah.
And that's how I take off my makeup.
So you can take off your makeup. You can,
You can put as a lotion.
use it as a moisturizer for your skin.
It's 3 tablespoons.
You could use it as a hair product, and we
Hair
gonna give it to
mask.
the dogs. With
And you
peanut
can
butter.
eat it.
That's gonna kill them.
And supposedly you can put
This ain't
it.
no Mounds bar, y'all.
And supposedly you can put it in your teeth and it winds.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, wait, I need some of that.
It's
No,
oil.
but you have to leave it in there for like 5 minutes.
Need some of that. Am I white yet?
Yeah.
Super white.
Donald Trump white.
Donald, I'm giving you a chance.
Here you go.
What am I supposed to do with this used piece of paper towel?
What
Can
is
you
that
put-
little thing?
Mommy, can you put the
You
stuff
said
up?
5 minutes. It's been 5 seconds.
Can you put the thing up, please? The stuff up, please.
Yeah, we need those.
No, we. Oh yeah, we need. Okay. Okay.
So after you mix that stuff, what do you do with it?
Mommy,
oh, you
put
gonna
it-
make it like
put the
little
camera-
dog bone
Yeah.
shape?
Can you put the camera on it, please? Okay. What?
What's that shape of
Yeah, I'll call you when when we cut the shapes. Ooh, look at that. Smoke. Peanut buttery. Okay. Let's get I'm gonna
Get that glass.
this.
You know, Kelly was gave me her, God bless you,
Her what?
her Xfinity account. So, I had a thing of like different channels or different
Okay.
genres of TV.
Genres?
and it had LBGT. And you know what that is, right? Guess what we opened up? My show, Golden Circle. It freaked me out. I was like, why is my show listed under LBGT?
Do they have gay people in there?
I have not seen it yet.
Oh my gosh.
That's funny.
At least Victor didn't come up under that, but Bold and the Beautiful did. So I had,
Oh, but you just started
Well,
watching
you know
that
what?
show too.
Yeah, well I did, yes. No, that guy's one.
Okay.
Somebody wrote it this day.
Here we go. So it is good, I think. Let's take this.
Aquí estamos, nos gustaría mucho que estuvieras aquí con nosotros y eres muy especial para
Oh.
nosotros. Te esperamos con ansia nuevamente y te queremos
Ooh.
demasiado, eres bien linda y bien especial.
This is really soft.
Te queremos mucho y te aguardamos por disfrutar
Got that coconut roll.
Y pase, te queremos.
Aw.
So sweet.
Don't cry.
Fine.
Doesn't this look like heaven?
Put some flour on the bottom.
Okay. Can you move that camera so it's on me and Gramps?
All right, here we are with her blob.
It's the slime.
It's not slime.
It
This-
could be used.
It's not slime this time.
My mom gave me some pie dough from when she made the apple tart thing, and she let me play with it for slime.
And then she made apple tarts and took it to work.
No, it was the tarts that we had, and then after that day, she made it for her workers. Okay, so basically,
Benji looks like he's lost some weight. Are y'all gonna let him have
Yes.
snacks?
yes, we got him some barbecue.
You know my name is Kelly Telly, I'll tell you.
So the recipe is 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil.
Is that really a recipe for doggy treats, or is that?
It's really a recipe for dog treats. Like Giada at home had some dog treats too, but they were made with chicken broth, and we don't got chicken broth.
Yeah, you do. You
Well-
gotta make some chicken broth. You gotta make some chicken broth out of what I always make chicken broth out of. Weilers. Woo! Woo! Woo!
So you can make reindeer, maybe?
Okay. Where's the roller?
Y'all are gonna screw up and eat this thinking that it's human stuff.
Do you want that reindeer or this one? You can still eat it.
Why y'all making an animal eat an animal? Huh? Who does that?
Or you can pick whatever.
It tastes good. Can you? Oh yeah, I already tried.
She said it tastes good.
It does.
Yeah, I know they're gonna be eating this. They ain't giving nothing to the dogs.
Well, all the ingredients that she used are
Human.
Hey, can you please not eat the fries and then put it in your... Sheesh. Put flour on it. Grab some flour and then...
You're Santa in this scenario?
There you go. Act like a pro.
Holiday cooking showdown.
I'm gonna win.
Oh wait,
Now try it.
remember the grandma one?
Years of celebrating in this one.
There's a grandma cooking show.
I know, but I didn't watch it, so I don't remember it.
Turn it, babe.
Well, we're talking about
Turn it.
the commercial.
Let me look. Let me show you how grandma rolls. Roll them bones. Oh, they're not bones. It's not rolling.
Because you're squeezing it.
You're
To
squishing.
make it happen. To make it happen quicker.
Let me take a picture of it now.
Okay. I ain't wash my hands, so move that down some.
Me either.
You're here.
Ew.
Dogs like germs.
Ew.
I think that should be good.
Is that good?
Yeah. You want them kind of thick.
Okay, Gramps.
One more.
Do it this on this part because that part is thick.
Are
Okay.
you a tractor?
Yep. All right.
Good job, girl.
Boom.
All right, so
Boom. Like, you know, Emerald says bang.
Which
Grandma
ones?
says boom.
Which ones do you want to do, Gramps?
We ain't doing no animals. Animals don't eat animals.
Okay, then let's do this. Whatever.
Okay. It's kind of little. Y'all are like cheap.
how about
Yeah, do that.
Y'all are cheap.
and then maybe some
My mommy is.
Ooh.
She knows it.
Ooh.
air right now.
Look at some candy canes.
Well, this one's the
Wait a second.
Cut
We
really
watched
well.
the show and they said that you're supposed to go really close so that you don't waste.
Yeah, Jacqueline.
Well, I was gonna
Jacqueline, Jelly
re-roll.
bean.
I was gonna re-roll it. It's Jack
This.
C.
If she would have said that, you would have been like,
What the heck is this?
it's a reindeer.
Well, we ain't doing animals. Animals ain't.
Yes, they do.
Animals on this show are not eating animals. You leave that to.
So you're not gonna eat the pork tomorrow?
I ain't no animal.
Yes, you are.
I am not an animal.
You're a chimpanzee, gorilla,
Cause I'm black.
monkey.
Cause I'm black.
Why did you say that?
Yeah.
No, because you showed me a
No,
show.
I am a mammal.
Remember?
I am a mammal.
Of the.
Okay, that's an animal.
No.
You literally just said a
No.
mammal.
I said a mammal. It's
Do you
not an animal.
know
I am
dogs
an
are
amphibian.
mammals too?
And so are men.
Huh?
And so are men. That's why we call them dogs.
You can't be disrespecting dogs like that. Dogs are very nice.
People go to prison over dogs.
Exactly.
Exactly, because the people are stupid. Not the animals.
I'm done with y'all.
Why are you done with this? What
Put
did
my
we
soap operas on. And I just found out that one of my favorite soap operas is the LBGT category. And I'm cool with that.
Oh, you're cool with that.
I'm cool with that.
Oh.
I'm cool with
Oh, what?
I'm cool with that.
Hypocrite. I'm sorry.
You don't need to tell all my business.
You
Well,
just
you're
said
the one
it.
that said you don't
I
like
said
it.
I'm cool with that. I don't say that on the air.
Jacqueline, look.
See? That's why we told you. Put the french fries up. Bye. Okay. I want to make sure that yours is busy at least 45% of your.
45%.
I said 25.
Oh.
Because Benji now looks sick.
Why does he look sick?
He looks like he's on crack.
Maybe he is on crack.
Grandma, what you been doing to him?
Last night he. Last night he tried to make me eat his crap. Like, why are these people in my room?
Because I fell asleep on accident.
And then when she left, and I woke up, I was like, oh, I can roll over. Y'all know that the neighbors are gonna eat that. They're gonna smell it and they're gonna be like, ooh.
Can you turn on the oven first,
Nope.
please?
Nope. No, I can't. I don't like dogs. I married a couple of them.
Wow.
Yep.
That's
And
why you don't like them.
are you married to one right now?
No. No, I'm married.
You don't wear the ring.
It's too big.
That ring is small. Okay. I'm sorry, Douglas. Douglas Horam.
Don't put his name out there like that. You're gonna have to edit that part.
Honey Bunches of Oats.
Yeah.
This is the cookie Benji gets.
What's that?
It's a snowman.
No, don't do them that big, baby.
That's for
Benji's
Benji.
dog. That's our dog's treat.
Well, he still won't eat that whole
He
thing.
gonna
Well,
eat the
we can
whole
break
thing.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Each of us gets to give him a piece. That y'all don't let him have.
Just do the small one.
Poor dog don't get no pieces.
We're gonna watch Elf.
Yeah, those are kind of too big.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are kind of big. You gotta give those to the big dogs. Like that one down the block that tried to kill us.
What one down the block? Where were you?
You little angels.
Was that your other
The
family?
day, no, that was the day that you put my new sneakers in the mud.
Oh yeah.
I want to kill you, daughter. That day.
I told you that it was.
No, you didn't.
It was raining though. You should have got the hint.
It was raining though. You should have took me outside.
You agreed to go with me.
Okay. Wait, how did I miss this?
This is what we do.
See?
Okay, you can go back on it,
This is
silly.
what we do.
Oh my God. Y'all have some glasses sitting up there?
No.
I don't.
Let the games begin. Ah! Oh my god, this freaking video is 16 minutes.
Can you not say freaking?
This video. Ooh, okay.
What?
The cookies,
Hold on.
they're cute. Like me. Isn't it good because you were with your granddaughter?
Yes, it was. Making dog treats.
That you're gonna eat?
No.
Whatever home means to you.
They're gonna be buttery too.
So,
Because of the coconut oil.
Neil Lane designs jewelry for Hollywood's biggest stars, and at K Jewelers, he designs them for you too.
Boss sent me a damn Facebook message this morning.
Who's Shavar?
Yeah, they said, Mama Kelly, I love you.
Aww.
Oh, I love you.
That's cute.
I started to say, and I started to say, quit wearing them tight pants when you dancing. Well, I didn't say that.
Oh, that means he was thinking of you.
I know.
That's so sweet.
It's so funny because if the
$3.75.
kids' friends call me anything, it's always Mama Kelly. I
Right.
like,
Kayla calls you that.
that's why I'm determined not to be fat. Because I don't want to be like Big Mama.
Big Mama Kelly.
Yeah. Big Mama Kelly.
How you doing, Big
Well,
Mama?
they used to call me and Kelly, but I was Big Kelly. I was Big Kelly. She's Little Kelly.
Not the mom.
I was like, why can't I just be Kelly?
Isn't she gonna lose weight though?
this is what we'll cut.
She said for the new year she's getting off of her social media and focusing on her life.
That's
Well,
good.
she just bought like $1,000 worth of clothes that fit.
So, the journal can show all speed car
From where?
we sure.
So what time are
Benji.
you guys gonna open your
At 12.
at 12? I won't be there.
Why? Benji? What time are you gonna be at work?
Be there at 11.
Then we can do it
From
11.
11 to what?
7 in the morning.
Ah,
Then we can do it 11 before you leave.
but that's just like our Christmas.
At 11.
But that's just gonna be like our Christmas Eve present, not like
Oh,
the.
that's fine. I've never been there together. So when do you open your?
So that's why you should be
So when do you open your regular?
in the morning. So when you come back, and
That-
then you can go to sleep.
Then I can get up and go right back.
You gonna work on Christmas Day?
Because it has pineapple in it.
Did you grab the orange juice in it? Yeah, that's pineapple juice. Baby, why you put it with dirt with wet hand?
Because my hands are always wet anyways. Okay.
So they just told me that they're making dog treats and then they're making cookies for the family. I think it's the same batter.
No.
I would need it if I was you.
This is peanut butter.
I would need it if I was you. I saw it on the same molding pin
We're going to
and
wash
in
it.
the same bowl.
We're going to wash it.
I ain't using none of it.
Yes, you are. You're going to love it. And we're watching Elf today.
You want to make me a giant ham sandwich?
Why aren't you spending time with us? Watching Elf? That's our family movie day. Do it again.
Really? I'm making a sandwich.
We love you.
We love you too. Oh, I love you.
It smells delicious. Well, that made a lot of cookies.
I know, right? Good
Well, at
thing.
least Benji would have cookies. We should not even buy him more treats. Just make it. Isn't that right?
One way to keep the neighbors away is to give them doggy treats.
Yes.
Yeah.
Y'all are crazy. In a good way. It's 8:20. I woke up. It was 12. Next thing I knew when I checked the clock, it was 4.
Lord.
And yesterday I was thinking this day is gonna go by so slow.
When I woke up, I was glad her feet was not in my face anymore, and the dog's tail was not in my mouth.
I thought Benji's tail tasted good. Like poopy. What if Grandma got a dingleberry in her mouth? That would have been so gross.
Find it out more.
My God.
That's a big ham, girl. Look, your hands are all shiny.
Yes,
coconut.
this is my new moisturizer.
That's good, that's good, that's good.
Point. Point.
Some brown mustard in here.
Brown mustard.
I gotta get some brown mustard in here. All
But
I
don't-
got is yellow mustard.
We have purple
We're
mustard.
Asian.
We ain't. Oh my God.
We don't have spicy mustard? I think we did. 'Cause
Yes.
Greg likes
Yeah,
spicy
I think we, or unless it just went by really quick. Because Dad likes.
Yeah, we have this. Here you go. Oh, no more.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas each and every day.
But it's not snowing. It's not snowing.
What?
It's not snowing.
You want some snow?
Oh no.
Snow.
Oh my gosh, Grandma. Oh my gosh.
It's so bad. You mean speaking?
Whew. This is why the channel is called My Family Needs Medicine.
Yeah. And guess what? Grandma's on some.
You're a
You're
nurse.
not.
You're a nurse.
Not on snow.
Oh no, not that.
Well, we were talking about that, and then you're like, it's Willie or
No, she's saying this is why my family needs medicine.
No, this is why the channel is called My Family Needs Medicine.
Yeah.
Oh, and then you're on medicine.
Yeah.
She's a nurse though.
What would Christmas be like?
Go to Wildwood.
And I know how to be legally illegal.
Games, traditions.
What?
I know
Oh
how to
my
be
God.
legally illegal.
I'm gonna try one.
I am not eating a dog treat.
It's got all the
I
flavors.
am not eating a dog
It's
treat.
got all the flavors from a regular.
I'm about to eat me a ham and cheese sandwich.
That's good. It's not sweet, but tasty. Benji,
Baby, it's hot.
barely. He likes it. He's looking for more. I like it too, Benji. No worries.